There's a guide on how you can find your Gmail account by your phone number. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open Google. After opening Google, click on the search bar and search for Find My Account. After that, click on search and then click on the first link. As you can see, it says Find My Account. You have to click on it. After that, this page will open. It says enter your phone number or recovery email. Since we're finding the account with our phone number, so you have to enter your phone number. So I'm going to do that. Once you're done, click on next. After that, you have to enter your first name. And the last name is optional, but you can do that if you want to. I'm going to do that. Once you're done, click on next. After that, it will say get a verification code. So you have to click on send. And after clicking on it, you will get a verification code from your SMS. So you have to enter that. Once you're done, click on next. And there you go. These are all the accounts that are linked with my phone number. And that's it. That's how you find a Google account with your phone number.